Hi, I am Kraj and welcome to my new channel. Today, we're diving into 2 shrimp recipes that are so easy, even your pet goldfish could make them. Well, almost. Tonight, we're diving into the world of quick and easy shrimp dishes. Shrimp, my friends, is like the superhero of the seafood world. It cooks in minutes, absorbs flavors beautifully, and always impresses. It's like the James Bond of the kitchen. Whether you're craving the garlicky bliss of shrimp scampi or the vibrant crunch of a shrimp stir-fry, we've got you covered. Let's begin our culinary adventure with the timeless classic shrimp scampi. This dish is all about celebrating the natural sweetness of shrimp with a symphony of garlic, butter, and a touch of lemon. But first, we gather our ingredients. For this simple yet elegant recipe, you'll need 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter because we believe in using the good stuff, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, a 1/4 cup of dry white wine, or chicken broth if you prefer, the juice of 1 juicy lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a hint of warmth, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for that final touch of green elegance. A quick note on the shrimp. While I always recommend buying the freshest seafood available, frozen shrimp works beautifully in this recipe. Just be sure to thaw it completely before you begin. Let's begin our culinary adventure with the timeless classic shrimp scampi. This dish is all about celebrating the natural sweetness of shrimp with a symphony of garlic, butter, and a touch of lemon. But first, we gather our ingredients. For this simple yet elegant recipe, you'll need 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter because we believe in using the good stuff, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, a 1/4 cup of dry white wine, or chicken broth if you prefer, the juice of 1 juicy lemon, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a hint of warmth, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for that final touch of green elegance. A quick note on the shrimp. While I always recommend buying the freshest seafood available, frozen shrimp works beautifully in this recipe. Just be sure to thaw it completely before you begin. Elevating scampi flavor and finesse. With the shrimp almost cooked to perfection, it's time to elevate our scampi with a burst of flavor. Pour in the white wine or chicken broth, allowing it to deglaze the pan and pick up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. The alcohol in the wine will cook off, leaving behind a delicate sweetness. Next, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. The acidity of the lemon juice will cut through the richness of the butter, creating a beautifully balanced sauce. Sprinkle in the red pepper flakes for a subtle hint of heat. Now, for the final flourish, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Remember, tasting as you go is key to creating a dish that sings on your palate. Scampi success plating and savoring, and just like that, our shrimp scampi is ready to be enjoyed. The shrimp should be plump and juicy, coated in a glossy, fragrant sauce. Traditionally, shrimp scampi is served over a bed of linguine, but feel free to get creative. Angel hair pasta, rice, or even a crusty baguette are all fantastic options for soaking up that delectable sauce. As you plate your shrimp scampi, don't forget that final touch of elegance, a generous sprinkle of fresh parsley. Not only does it add a pop of vibrant green, but it also contributes a fresh, herbaceous aroma that complements the other flavors beautifully. Now, pour yourself a glass of your favorite white wine, sit back, and savor the fruits, or should I say shrimp, of your labor. You've just created a restaurant-quality meal in the comfort of your own home, and that deserves a toast. Stir-fry symphony, a rainbow of freshness. Now let's turn up the heat and dive into the vibrant world of shrimp stir-fry. This dish is all about speed, fresh flavors, and that satisfying crunch that only comes from perfectly cooked vegetables. For our stir-fry adventure, you'll need 1 pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 bell pepper, cored, seeded and sliced, 1 cup of crisp snap peas, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce for that irresistible sweet and savory depth, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to add a touch of tang, and 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for that final whisper of nutty aroma. Before we begin, a quick note on preparation. Stir-frying is all about timing. Once that wok or skillet is hot, things move quickly. So, I highly recommend having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. Section 2. Wok Wisdom, Mastering the Stir-Fry Technique. Now let's talk about the star player in our stir-fry journey, the wok. While a large skillet works beautifully, a wok's unique shape and high sloping sides make it ideal for stir-frying. The heat distributes evenly, allowing for quick cooking and that signature smoky flavor. Set your wok or skillet over high heat and let it get screaming hot. You'll know it's ready when a bead of water evaporates on contact. Add the vegetable oil, swirling it around to coat the bottom. Now it's time for our vegetable symphony. Add the bell pepper slices, snap peas and broccoli florets to the wok. Stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, using a quick tossing motion to ensure even cooking. The vegetables should be tender crisp, slightly softened but still retaining their vibrant color and satisfying crunch. Section 3. A dance of flavors building the stir-fry sauce. As our vegetables dance in the wok, let's create a stir-fry sauce that's a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and tangy notes. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, rice vinegar, and toasted sesame oil. Back to the wok. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the vegetables, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. Now, for the main attraction, gently add the shrimp to the wok, ensuring they're evenly dispersed among the vegetables. Cook the shrimp, stirring constantly until they turn pink and opaque, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, we're aiming for plump, juicy shrimp, not rubbery ones, so keep a close eye on them. Section 4. From wok to plate, serving your stir-fry masterpiece. With the shrimp cooked to perfection, it's time to bring our stir-fry symphony to its grand finale. Pour that beautifully balanced sauce over the shrimp and vegetables, ensuring everything is well coated. Continue to stir-fry for another minute or two, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and cling to the ingredients. And just like that, our shrimp stir-fry is ready to be enjoyed. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, a tantalizing blend of garlic, ginger, and toasted sesame oil. Serve your stir-fry masterpiece immediately over a bed of fluffy white rice or your favorite noodles. The rice soaks up all those delicious sauce flavors, creating a complete and satisfying meal. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish with chopped scallions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality stir-fry made in the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's be honest, life can feel like a chaotic juggling act sometimes. We're racing against the clock, trying to balance work, family, and everything in between. And in the midst of it all, those late-night cravings hit, sending us scrambling for the quickest, easiest option, which, let's face it, isn't always the healthiest. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim control, to navigate those hectic evenings with a sense of culinary calm? That's where the power of meal planning comes in. Think of meal planning as your secret weapon against takeout temptation and those nothing-in-the-fridge dilemmas. It's about taking a little time at the beginning of the week to map out your meals, transforming those dinner-time dilemmas into moments of delicious anticipation. And here's the beautiful thing. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. Start small. Even planning just 2 or 3 dinners in advance can make a world of difference. Imagine this. You come home after a long day and instead of staring blankly into the refrigerator, you pull out your prepped ingredients, already chopped, measured, and ready to go. Dinner transforms from a chore into a breeze. Picture this, a peaceful dinner with your loved ones where everyone is relaxed and enjoying a home-cooked meal. It all starts with a well-thought-out grocery list. By planning your meals, you can create a list that ensures you have all the ingredients you need, reducing those last-minute trips to the store. Organizing your pantry and fridge becomes easier too. You'll know exactly what you have and what you need, minimizing food waste and maximizing efficiency. Cooking becomes a joy rather than a stressor. With everything prepped and planned, you can focus on the art of cooking, experimenting with new recipes, and enjoying the process. Setting the table becomes a ritual, a moment to transition from the chaos of the day to the calm of the evening. Light some candles, play some music, and make dinner an event to look forward to. Sharing meals with friends and family becomes more frequent. With meal planning, you can easily host dinner parties or casual get-togethers, knowing you have everything under control, and it doesn't stop at dinner. Meal planning extends to lunches and snacks too. Imagine having a delicious homemade lunch at work instead of relying on takeout or vending machines. Healthy snacks become readily available, curbing those mid-afternoon cravings and keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. Ultimately, meal planning is about taking control of your time and your health. It's about making intentional choices that lead to a more balanced, fulfilling life. So, take a deep breath, grab a pen and paper, and start planning. Your future self will thank you for it. Conquer the chaos, satisfy your cravings, and embrace the joy of meal planning. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Here's to reclaiming your evenings and savoring every bite. Now let's talk about our star ingredient, shrimp. Not only is it incredibly versatile and quick cooking, but it's also a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. And the best part? Shrimp is often more affordable than other proteins, making it a budget-friendly choice for those looking to eat well without breaking the bank. Incorporating shrimp into your meal plan is a smart and delicious way to boost your intake of essential nutrients. It's a good source of lean protein, which is crucial for building and repairing tissues, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Shrimp is also rich in selenium, an important antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin B12, which is essential for energy production and maintaining a healthy nervous system. So, not only are these shrimp recipes delicious, but they're also giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 3. Beyond the recipe, embracing a balanced lifestyle. Remember, cooking and eating well are about so much more than just following a recipe. It's about nourishing your body, exploring new flavors, and creating delicious experiences that bring joy to your life. These shrimp recipes are just the beginning of your culinary adventure. Think of them as stepping stones, encouraging you to experiment in the kitchen, to try new ingredients, and to discover the endless possibilities of creating healthy, flavorful meals at home. Don't be afraid to get creative. Swap out the vegetables, try different sauces, add a pinch of spice, and most importantly, remember that food is meant to be shared. Invite friends and family over for a shrimp feast. Turn mealtime into a social occasion, a celebration of good food, and even better company. By embracing a balanced approach to cooking and eating, you're not just nourishing your body, you're nourishing your soul. Section 4. From Amateur to Alchemist. Transforming your kitchen confidence. As you embark on your culinary journey, remember that there's no such thing as a bad cook. We all start somewhere, and every time you step into the kitchen, you have an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to transform your relationship with food. Embrace the process, even the occasional kitchen mishap. We've all been there. The beauty of cooking is that it's a lifelong journey of discovery. There's all be your canvas and your ingredients be your palette. Create dishes that not only taste good but also tell a story and bring happiness to those who share them with you. And don't forget to share your culinary creations with me in the comments below. I love seeing the incredible dishes you come up with and hearing about your cooking adventures. I can't wait to see what you whip up. Whether it's a simple weeknight dinner or an elaborate feast, every meal you create is a testament to your passion and creativity in the kitchen. Happy cooking!